You created your Shopify store, e-commerce store, it could be on WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, or whatever. Now it's the time for the most difficult part. It's marketing. How to promote and sell your product to make profit. Today's video is going to be special because I'm going to be showing you one of the most effective way to sell your product. TikTok has made a new feature, it's called Tik Tok Shop, where people can buy directly your product without even leaving the app. The other great news is that Fiverr has carefully vetted TikTok Shop experts to help people like you, entrepreneurs and brands, set up and do everything to connect TikTok Shop with the product you're going to be selling. So guys, try to stick till the end because I'm going to be showing you three-handed picked Fiverr TikTok Shop experts that's going to help you during the entire process. In almost all my videos, I talk about the importance of buying your time. And that's, by the way, what separates winners from losers. Because people who are smart, they buy their time. They're not trying to do everything by themselves because this is just impossible. And it's almost the same to me. I don't do everything alone. I can't manage my website, my employees, accountants, social media, making videos, editing, etc. I can't do that alone. So I have my people around me. Each one is doing a task. And what I'm going to be showing you here is you're going to buy your time by connecting your TikTok account or setting up the TikTok shop with your e-commerce store. You're going to gain your time. And you can use this time to your favor, to do something else, to look for partners, to try to find a new product, new marketing way, etc. We are in 2026. Now creating e-commerce store becomes more easier than before because there is AI, there are plugins, there are agencies, and now promoting your product become more easier than before through this TikTok shop. Now you're going to ask me about what is TikTok shop? TikTok has made a great feature into their app to let businesses sell their product into the app without letting customers or letting viewers live in the app. Not just like, for example, Facebook ads, when people are going to click on the ad, they're going to go to your website. Now what's great is people gonna see the product, as you see here, gonna see the product within your page or within your video that's being played there. What's good about that is that people can buy your products directly into the app without leaving it. So they're gonna stay on your page or on your profile or on your video. They can watch more videos or they can buy again more products. I'm gonna try this TikTok shop live with you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to hire a freelancer because hiring a freelancer is a difficult task because you're gonna need to find someone who is trustful, someone who is skillful, someone who can communicate with you, who can understand your issue, who can really understand the platform, which is TikTok shop. And this is what I'm gonna be showing you here because I spent a couple of hours looking for vetted TikTok shop experts and Fiverr gave me this because I have an old account. If you saw my previous videos, I started my journey as a freelancer on Fiverr. I still have my old Fiverr account. It's since 2017. Now I just buy services from Fiverr. Anything I want, I buy it from Fiverr. Whenever for example, I create a new website, I delegate creating the logos, the banners, etc., creating the content, I delegate that to Fiverr so I can focus on other important things as an entrepreneur. So guys, if you have your e-commerce store ready, if you have your TikTok account ready, and you're ready to promote your product to make sales, this video is going to be for you because I'm going to be showing you here 3 vetted TikTok shop expert through Fiverr that you can hire them. I'm going to hire one of them here live with you. I'm going to buy his service and you're going to see it. I'm going to leave the link in the video description about those 3 freelancers because I spent a couple of hours looking for the best ones. And by the way, if you have any question about TikTok shop, you can get a free consultation with TikTok shop expert that's going to answer every question you have about this new feature. You're going to find also the link in the video description. So now let's buy the service. So guys, here are my 3-handed picked TikTok shop expert that I found on Fiverr. I'm going to leave the link in the video description for all of them. So here is my Fiverr account. I still got $300 credit here. And yeah, I created the account in January 2017. Wow, I can't believe I'm close to 10 years old on Fiverr, guys. That's impressive. Yeah, last review about 1 month ago. 1 month ago. Yeah. So as I said, guys, I'm still using Fiverr to buy services, to buy my time. And that's where you're gonna need to think as an entrepreneur. You're gonna need to buy your time, delegate tasks. Every task that's easy, that's automated, you're gonna need to delegate it. So why I choose those guys, I spent a couple of hours to choosing them here because it's vetted pro. It was selected by Fiverr Pro team for their expertise, okay? This guy here is from Germany, Lawrence, and Jack is from UK. So if you're from UK, you can buy the service from Jack. If you're in Germany, you can buy from Lawrence. From United States, you can buy from Mike. In my case, as I have my business registered in the United States, I'm gonna deal with Mike. You can read the reviews here. He's got 4.9 stars. That's great. Here is the brief description about it. Is Tik Tok Shop official partner, which is great. So it's gonna give you the suitable answer depending on your business. Let's say, for example, your business is located in Germany. You can deal with Lawrence. Okay, he's gonna know the legal stuff there. So if you have, for example, an LLC in the United States, you're gonna need to deal with Mike, so he can help you set up the Tik Tok Shop there and connect it with your e-commerce store. He's got a Calendly here, so you can book a consultation for free. You can copy it and paste it here. So you can book a consultation with them there for free. You're just gonna need to click here and choose your suitable schedule to book free consultation with Tik Tok Shop expert. Or you can contact them directly through Fiverr here through Contact Me. It's always recommended to contact the freelancers before buying the service directly, so you can be sure you're with the right guy. You have, for example, a legal entity, your shop is ready, your TikTok account is ready, so everything is gonna be smooth and fast. And the guy replies very fast. As you see here, average response time is 8 hours. 8 hours is just the time to sleep. So this guy, if he was sleeping, you send the message or you buy a service. Once he is ready, he's gonna answer your question and he's gonna start setting up your TikTok shop. So guys, this is a great opportunity for you to sell and to grow your business. You're gonna buy your time. You can also buy any other service on Fiverr, because I'm still using Fiverr. Try to buy your time, guys, if you wanna succeed online, because this is the only way to succeed. Whenever you're stuck in something and you've got the budget, try to hire experts. If you have any question about that, guys, I will be glad to help. Just put it in the comments below. See you in the next video.